What day it is. I've just gone through this 3 times, but they've all failed because I didn't pause it right. So it's New Year's Eve, and I'm going to be uploading a list of what I'm uploading next year. Hope everyone has a good 2019 as it's a new more decade. I know that I'm going really fast, but it starts in 3 minutes. So yeah, we're just going to talk about what's going to go happen. And right, so we're going to be like doing, well, my whole family's watching a firework festival, by the way, ignore them. They're doing a firework festival. Well, they're watching it on telly and it's in London, so YouTube don't copyright this. But it's not copyright, it's just showing fan stuff. It starts in 2 minutes, so yeah, see you in 2 minutes. Hello. I think Tom's a bit happy for the New Year's resolution. Okay, I'll see you in 2 minutes. Actually, I won't. I'll just record it with the timer. Sorry about that. That's the timer. And there'll be some fireworks going on, so yeah. Right, so we've got 1 more minute to wait. So we're going to get to the front room. Oh, it's about to go happen.
16, 15, 14.
Timer's
13.
on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big Ben.
Oh, no!
Turn your room while outside.
Happy New Year!
Wow. Quick then. Quick.
I need to go outside. Right, Happy New Year, everyone.
Hold it up, man.
Right, so that's a firework. Oh, I'm so excited, sorry. This is live from London, but it's on telly. Right, enjoy. And Happy New Year to all.
Wow, look at London now.
One day I want to go to London while it's happening.
I want to be in the London Eye when they're going up here.
On the London Eye. Can you actually go on the London Eye?
Can't you be in the London Eye, can't you? Go on the London Eye.
Yeah. You can go in there. What you should do? Yeah, you can't go in it back in when they're doing the fireworks. What you should do, guys? Yeah. Just get a book and then set a challenge and get how many goals you share with the last one of the weekend.
Look at that there.
Yeah.
The girl them champion in it.
They're going low.
Just for about 5 minutes, isn't it?
I bet you can see that if you're in an hotel room in London.
I can't. I'm sure. I can't when it's recording.
Let's try and make it more fight too.
Yeah, but it come out this year.
What about that?
But you've got a good view of your other stuff. Freezing tonight, waiting for that. We've waited all day on that.
Cities coming together with all roads leading to Wembley Stadium. It's the year when football comes home. It's the UEFA Euro 2020 finals in London.
I won the lottery. I'd go to Disneyland for the new year.
In England?
Yeah,
It's not. What? No, you're not.
You're not filming the television.
What?
You ready? That's the big one.
Black and white time. I'll wait tomorrow. The black and white time. Me and always black and white highway. Ollie's here tomorrow. Ollie, meeting Ollie.
I'm not off.
Meeting Ollie.
I'm not off.
You're meeting Ollie? We're going to meet him.
No, but what are you going to
Oh.
shout? What are you got to shout when he comes on? It's saying on
You've got to get a start.
saying on the computer what you've got to say to it.
Can I have blue hats? I wear it there. Ellen, you want to sit my funeral this side?
Oh, my dad liked this music. He always watched that man who was mad like that. Who's it? Yeah, it was-
Shakespeare.
it was on one day the other night.
Shakespeare.
Did he tell you about that long hair? Wow.
What about?
That looks good on the Christmas tree.
Having the crowd on the pitch. They think it's all over.
It is now.
Wasting
All
money.
my ladies. All my ladies. All
I
my
think we
ladies.
do this at Playboy.
All my ladies. Right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Are they setting them off from you?